Fine, then I'll just have to.
Your time is up, Hashirama.
This is bad. At this rate... Yes! Wood style! Wood clone jutsu!
Let's do this, Sasuke. Are those... the Hokage?
They're trying to take him on?
Yeah. First, the Elders will investigate the situation using clones. What we need to focus on now is properly analyzing our foe.
Let's go! Tobirama! Sarutobi!
Yes, sir!
Time to see just what a ten-tailed Jinjuriki is capable of.
Don't let up, even for a moment.
Understood!
Take over for me.
If you stay completely focused, it still won't be. That's how much power I have now.
Five-style massive combo jutsu!
A world without failures. Why would you want to reject that kind of happiness?
Not necessarily. People grow from thinking, worrying, and failing. Happiness is what comes after all that.
But what if your fear causes you to lose something you can never regain? And wish they could do the again. Failure is not allowed.
Not even a ten-tails Jinjuriki could withstand this much! Paper bomb!
I see. Since the Ten Tails is inside me, I can't weave my way through. That's no problem, though.
He took that many attacks, and he's still unscathed?
The dead have no right to talk about the future. You should simply...
Oh no.
go back to sleep in the past.
You old guys!
What was that?
He made that black ball on his back explode in size.
The second?
Relax. The ones that got hit were all clones.
Oh, right! I forgot!
But that guy, he's dangerous.
Right now, I have the same power as the founder of Shinobi. I'm incomparable to anything you've experienced.
Obito, I thought you wanted to become the Hokage. Why did you end up like this?
You're trying to preach to me at this stage of the game. Don't you feel it's a bit too late, Sensei? You're always too late when it counts the most. I'm glad my master was the Hokage. Thanks to that, I was able to give up on becoming one.
He's right. If I had only noticed that was Obito back then, I might have been able to stop him. The Shinobi world might not have ended up like this.
You were my master, yet you didn't even notice it was me. That's the hard truth. In the end, the path you walked was nothing but a total failure.
You weren't even able to become one. What gives you the right to make fun of a Hokage? And he became the Hokage. Don't you dare make fun of him. It's all right. I know what the truth is. More than anyone from the Hidden Leaf. More than anyone in the world. More than Obito. You didn't make a single mistake, Dad. I know that better than anyone else. So come on. Let's go, Dad.
Yeah. Let's go.
Naruto Uzumaki. Why the power of the Sage of the Sages.
Says who? We're gonna lose!
All set.
It's about time I shut you up.
Why does it feel like I'm fighting with Kushina? Get lost.
Right here!
I'll take it from
Some distance.
You're smart.
This is truly irritating.
Just as
Let me at him! Now! You're gonna pay for making fun of my dad! It doesn't matter how much you recover. I can still damage you. If everyone works together, we can beat anyone, no matter how strong they are.